Welcome. This is a tutorial which helps you to send donations to Children Legacy Organization via MoneyGram. So what do we need to do for this? So first we need to open the browser, type in moneygram.com, open the website. It requires to choose a region, country and language. So we choose, in my case, Europe, as territory country Austria, and the language English, otherwise no one would understand me. Hit the submit button. Here you see an overview side of the rates and fees for later to check how much money is actually sent and how you can see where your transaction currently is. And you can use later apps via app stores or Play Store to have a more native experience, or you can send money via website online. But what actually is required to do is to go to the settings, to sign up an account. So for email address, I'm using now max.mustermann. For the password, I use ABCD. Confirm it. It needs to have all the required things. For the number, I choose 0664 1 2 3 4 5 6, for example. Then we press the next button. What is also needed to do is to enter the legal first name. So I am Max Mustermann. Very important. It needs to be the same according your ID or passport. The country of birth is of course Austria. I was born on the 1st 2000. The billing address is Muster Street 1. Of course, I was born in the beautiful city of Vienna, and the zip code is, of course, the 1st district. Then I go to next. I get my premium rewards program discounts, which can be useful or not. I choose here to get notifications via email, but you don't have to do that. And very important, you have to agree the consent, and then you click the sign up button.